Especially if you are a home office worker or remote worker, you need to have a personal monitor. There are many types of monitor, and they can be very expensive. In this video, we'll discuss how you can choose the right monitor for your home office. Here are some things to consider when you are choosing a monitor. Refresh rate. The higher the refresh rate, the faster the monitor can refresh the screen and reduce motion blur. If you have a powerful computer and you want to work on heavy projects, then you will want a monitor with a high refresh rate. Size. A large monitor is usually better for your needs. If your work requires you to see everything from almost every angle, then you will want an ultra-wide monitor. You should also consider the placement of your monitor. Place it to match your eye level for a better view. The correct height will help to avoid straining your eyes. Resolution. The resolution is the number of pixels a monitor can display at one time. The higher the resolution, the sharper and clearer your video will be on the screen. If you are looking for a good monitor for visual projects, then you will want a high-resolution monitor. Increasing productivity with the right monitor. Some people like to get large and modern office monitors because they need higher resolution for their work, while others like to get small portable monitors. Remember that the size of the monitor you choose depends on what your work is and how much space you have in your home office. And that's it. What are your thoughts on this video? Let us know in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more home improvement, technology, and design tips. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.